Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So today I will talk about some English sentences because without a practice you cannot learn English, particularly who lived a village area and your area know any environment learn English language and I hope this video very helpful for all who interested to learn English language. So lots of people ask any question how to learn English language and a very long times they do not solve this question how to speak English language and they have lost of money and they do not learn English language. So let us start now. So you can start. What is your name? My name is Bhola Kumar. And where are you from? I am from India. Okay, so what is your educational background? So I completed my basic education in my village 1 to 12th class and I did my graduation degree completed in the city and I choose art subject when I was class 10th. So I have a 80% marks in my 10th class. So many students and teachers are say you choose the science stream, but I have a lots of reason I'm not choose science stream because I am very feared English and science you can choose science stream so you study about in English. So this is the main reason I'm not choose science stream and I choose arts subjects and I choose history honors but present time I realized I had choose science but what I do I have no any option so I realized what I can do so I think I can learn English language if you command on this language so you can teach anyone who interested English language. So this is the purpose of learning English language. So friends, I am belong to village, but I am not interested who face English language, but I want to learn who interested English language, but some are reasons and they do not able to learn English language and they think I cannot achieve these aims. So this is not your strengths. This will show your weakness. So remove your weakness and increase your strength and 1 year ago I feel very weakness when I was in learn English language in English institution. So I stand on the stage and I give a speech, so that time I feel very low and simultaneous what I can and what I give this a speech, but I never give up a speak English language. Whatever I know, so I express on the stage and I speak in English and many people think negative to me, but I I think also positive. So friends, doesn't matter uh, which are you belong to, like a city area or remote area. You have a willpower, so you can achieve anything. So you can achieve your aims and whatever you will set, so you can achieve. So thank you friends, and keep watching this video, and you can achieve your goal. Thank you.